Hello everyone, welcome to English Minute, the place where you can learn simple, real-life English in just a few minutes every day. Here we practice easy conversations, improve speaking skills, and learn English the fun way. So, relax, listen, and speak along. Let's start learning English, 1 minute at a time. Asking directions in a train station. Excuse me, could you help me, please?
Of course. How can I help you?
I'm looking for platform 5. I'm not sure where to go.
No problem. Platform 5 is on the second floor.
Oh, okay. How do I get there?
Go straight ahead and take the escalator on your left.
The escalator on the left?
Yes. Go up, then turn right at the top.
All right. After I turn right, what should I do?
Walk straight for about 2 minutes.
Is platform 5 clearly marked?
Yes, you'll see signs overhead. Just follow the blue signs.
That's helpful. Is there an elevator? I have heavy luggage.
Yes, there is an elevator next to the escalator.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. Which train are you taking?
The express train to Central City.
That's the right platform. Boarding starts in 10 minutes.
Great. Do I still have enough time?
Yes, you're early. No need to worry.
Thank you so much for your help.
My pleasure. Have a safe journey.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
You too.
Let's all overcome the fear of speaking English together. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, be sure to do it. So, see you in the next video. Good luck and practice makes perfect.